in this video I'll be talking about a DIY that will help you to regrow your hair. Yes, you heard it right. You must have heard about chili oil that is being sold at a really high price, which is around 30 ml for 1050 rupees, which is I feel is quite costly. So why not make it at home? I did some research and I could find out how to make it, and I started experimenting it with my hair and my brother's hair, of course, and it started working. So I can assure you that this works for both men and women, so anyone can try this one out. So let's get started, but before that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. Now without getting further delay, let's get started.
So this is the first batch of chili oil that I had prepared before. Make sure you use a glass bottle like this to prepare the chili oil. Now let's first drain out the chili oil residue that I had before. Now taking some extra virgin coconut oil that is organic. I am preferring Indus Valley. You can also go for Rain Naturals or any other brand of your choice of your preference. You just need to add around 50 ml. This will be around 50 ml. I am making 100 ml of product. Once you have added that, add some extra virgin organic olive oil to it. If you are having frizzy hair or curly hair like me which needs much nutrition, this is amazing. Plus this is lightweight also, so that was also 50 ml. Once you have added that, add some fenugreek seeds or methi seeds to it. That would be around 1 tablespoon, and then add some kalonji or black fennel seeds. That would be around 1 tablespoon again. Now after adding this to both, you just need to close the lid, shake it a bit, and then get ready for the next step. Now let's keep it in the sun for the next 3 days, and then we will start with the second step. Here is the second day. You can see the beautiful color of this oil. I am just shaking it a bit. You can also see the fenugreek seeds have changed their size. They have become bigger. The goodness is getting soaked in sun. So yeah. So it's day 3 and the last day of making of the oil. So this was the last batch of my chili oil that is left. I'll be straining it and using it today, so it will be over. So let's get back to our step 2 today. It has been 3 days since it has been in the sun. So let's make the new batch ready for second step. For the second step, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder to the oil and close the lid and mix it very well. Make sure you shake the mixture quite well so that the powder gets mixed in the oil, and then add 4 to 5 black pepper to your oil. That should be little crushed, not grinded but crushed. So now we'll keep it in the sun for the next 2 days, and then we will start our cold process. Either you can go for the heat process and then the cold process, or just the cold process if you don't have enough sunlight, or just the heat process if you want. I like a mix of both. Now it has been already 3 to 4 days, so let's go for the cold process. I'll just take out the oil so that I can remove the fenugreek and the kalonji seeds that are not needed in my oil again. It will make it much more stickier if I keep it for a longer time in the oil. So yeah, I have already taken out, and since those things have already stuck to the bottom, I need to take it out, because in the same bottle I'll be making my cold press for the steps. So let's first take out the entire thing from the bottle so that it will be clean and it won't be much of a process, I guess. So yeah, Remember not to wash it or keep any water droplets inside it so that the oil doesn't get bad within few days. Remember to use a glass jar and not a plastic jar. That will give you much more benefits. I don't think plastics are harmful if you are using a BPA free one, but I generally prefer a glass bottle. Now let's keep it in a freezer for the next 15 days.
So it has been 15 days since it was in the freezer, and you can see it is totally ready now. So I have taken out a scoop out of it and I have already used it in my hair, and this is my second batch. That's why I'm telling you it's just amazing. Do try it out. You can see the sediments over here of the chili oil. You can now keep it in the normal temperature. As you can see, I have already scooped out this much of the chili oil. So I have already scooped out this much of chili oil out of the one I have prepared for today's champi, and you can easily make it, and you can now keep it in the normal temperature, room temperature, and use it as usual, just like a normal hair oil. That's it. So you saw it how to make it. Now let me tell you how to use it. If you are having bald spots or you are having extreme hair loss, it would be great if you can use 1 to 2 drops every day for your entire scalp. Need not use handful, but you can use 1 to 2 drops for your entire scalp. If you are having oily scalp, then do use only 1 drop, and if you have a dry scalp, then you can use 2 drops. And it would be great if you can add rosemary essential oil to it as an additional thing if you are having it at your home. I generally prefer using it every day with the chili oil. It works well. Else you can simply go for the chili oil itself. Now don't forget to eat a healthy diet and nutritious food every day. Start drinking much more water and hydrate yourself, and have some good head massage every day before going to bed. Those are the few basic things that you can follow along with this chili hair oil recipe to get good hair growth. And you can very well see that my baby hairs are growing over here, and I was having a very high amount of hair loss after COVID, and which is coming into a proper control slowly and steadily. So yes, you can also check this recipe out, and I have made, like, I had already made one batch and that got finished, so I made the second batch and also shared it with you. So do try it out and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. And that's it for this video. Next time I'll bring something new for you people. That's all. Bye bye.